In today's Kickstart tutorial, we'll cover building a low-latency live stream app, Streams Global Edge Network, allowing developers to build reliable, secure, and scalable voice experiences. After watching this tutorial, you'll be able to create a live stream to your Streams dashboard. Then we will configure it in OBS to start streaming. Finally, we will build an iOS app with SwiftUI to watch the live stream. Let's look at the key features of the live streaming app. The key features of the app include the following: ultra low latency. With the support of WebRTC, you can build a live stream with latency of less than 500 milliseconds. There is backstage support, so you can configure audio and video and other settings before the stream goes live. Since your live stream runs on Streams Global Edge Network, you can live stream to millions of participants with low latency. While live streaming, you can record your audio and video by selecting from several recording templates. You can also implement custom designs. There is a support for broadcasting alone or broadcasting with friends. You can publish your live streams to both Android and iOS devices, or you can publish it as RTMP. There are more other features, so I encourage you to check the stream website to learn more. Over here, we also have a demo, so you can visit this webpage and try the demo yourself in the browser. The Stream Video SDK is also available for all these platforms, so you can build a live streaming app for React, iOS, Android, and the rest. You can also build video calling and audio room applications using all these platforms. To follow along with this tutorial, you will need a Stream account. To create a Stream account, you visit getstream.io and click Start Coding for free. You can also go to the top right and click Dashboard. I have already signed in, so it is taking me to my dashboard. If you don't have a Stream account yet, you will be presented with a form to fill out. To create a new live stream on your Streams dashboard, you go to the Video and Audio section and select Overview. You have noticed here you can create different types of video experiences. For this tutorial, you need to select the option Create Live Stream. So I will click Create Live Stream. Once you create a live stream, you can go to the top right and click Live Stream Settings. On this page, you can configure your live stream in different ways. You can enable audio and camera by default. You can toggle recording on and off, and all these other settings. You can configure the layout of the live stream, whether you want to enable broadcasting or not, and all these other settings. For the live stream we just created, we will need these credentials: RTMP URL and the stream key to publish the live stream from OBS Studio. So our second prerequisite is to install OBS Studio by visiting obsproject.com. You can download OBS for Windows, Mac, and Linux. I have already downloaded the Mac version. Previously, I showed you the Streams Video SDK is available for all these platforms. For this tutorial, we are going to create a live stream for iOS. I will use Xcode 26. However, you can even use Xcode 15 to create a SwiftUI starter project. Let's move to the live stream we just created. To publish the live stream from OBS Studio, you should copy the RTMP URL and launch OBS Studio. In OBS Studio, you make sure you have added a scene, then a video capture device. After creating the scene and adding a video capture device, you go to the bottom right and click Settings. From the left sidebar, you should click Stream. The server is the RTMP URL I copied, so you paste it here. Let's go to the browser again. You should also copy the stream key. Then you go to Settings again, Stream, and paste it here. Once you add these two configurations, you click Apply and OK. We can now go ahead and start streaming. I need to mute the audio, else there will be an echo. If we now go back to the browser, you have noticed our live stream has started. And over here, we have two participants in the live stream, one from Stream Dashboard and the OBS version. At this point, you have created a live stream on your Streams dashboard and used OBS to publish the live stream. Let's move on to the next by creating a SwiftUI app to watch the live stream. If I go back to the browser again, you have noticed here we now have two participants. So we are going to watch the stream from the iOS app so that in total we have 3 participants. I will launch Xcode and create a new SwiftUI project. Let's leave the platform as iOS Under Application, we select App. I will call it Livestream Sample and save it to a location. We will configure the Streams Video SDK at the entry point of the app. So we are going to do the settings in this file. We don't need content view, so let's select it and delete it. Next, we need to install the Streams Video SDK. You can install the Video SDK with Swift Package Manager. So let's click File and select the option Add Package Dependencies. On the top right, I will paste this URL in the search. That is the official Stream Video repo on GitHub. You can find the link in the description of the video. For the dependency rule, let's leave it as up to next major version and click Add Package. You can install the Video SDK for SwiftUI and UIKit. Since we are working with a SwiftUI project, let's set this option to none and click Add Package. Under Package Dependencies, you can see we have Stream Video. That includes the core Video SDK as well as reusable SwiftUI components. We also have Stream WebRTC that helps to establish a call. Then we have Swift Protobuf, which is a serialization system. For the live streaming app to work successfully, we need to do two configurations. The live streaming app requires the use of the device camera and microphone. So we need to set up privacies for both microphone and camera. Let's select the root folder and go to the Info tab. If I hover on any of these key items, you can see there is a plus button. Let's click any one of them to add a new privacy. I will navigate to the privacy section and select microphone usage description. So that is the key. Let's add the value. We can say live stream sample would like to use your microphone. I will copy the string. So let's select it and copy. Let's add another privacy. For this one, we should select camera. I will paste the string here and change microphone to camera. So we have now set camera usage description and microphone usage description. Let's go ahead and configure the Video SDK to work with the SwiftUI app. Since we have installed the Video SDK, I will add these two imports. We have Stream Video, that is the core Video SDK without any UI. Then we have Stream Video SwiftUI, that consists of reusable components for building web experiences like live streaming, video calling, and audio room. Next, let's create a new struct here and call it Livestream View. We make it conform to the view protocol. For the livestream struct, we are going to paste these properties. We have API key, token, and call ID. We can get all these properties from the live stream we created on the stream dashboard. So we are going to use them to fill all these placeholders. I will go to the browser again and copy the API key. Then I will paste it here. I will then add a token and call ID. The call ID is the same as the live stream ID. Next, let's create a stream video object and initialize it with the API key, an anonymous user, and the token we just added. Then, in the body of some view, let's remove the text. We want to replace it with the live stream player view from the SDK. We set the type as live stream and specify the call ID. Finally, let's display the live stream view in window group. So this is all we need to do to configure the SDK to work with the SwiftUI app in order to watch the live stream from an iOS device. We add the necessary imports. Then we set these live stream properties. These are some of the properties of the live stream we created on the stream dashboard. Next, we create a new stream video and initialize it with the API key, an anonymous user, as well as the token. Then we create a live stream player and finally display it in our window group. If I go back to OBS Studio, we have the live stream still running. Let's also open it in the browser. You have noticed from the top left, we have two participants. So let's run it in Xcode. If it runs successfully, we will have 3 participants in the live stream instead of 2. From the iPhone, you have now noticed we have 3 participants in the live stream. If I go to the web version, we also have 3 participants as well. That's everything I have for you in this video. I showed you how to create a live stream on your streams dashboard. We configured the stream in OBS, started streaming, and finally, we created an iOS app in SwiftUI to watch the live stream. The second part of this tutorial will cover customizing the live streaming experience. We build a YouTube live blog